Merry Christmas, Philippines! Come on, let's eat. What we have here is, I got steak and lumpia, macaroni, baked macaroni. Mga unta. Okay. Do you like what I cook? Okay. Try the lumpia because it's really good. So good. How's my ham? Karon po among Christmas. I have lumpia. I have sauce.
You want to make one of yours?
Merry Christmas to my family, friends, workers, and caretakers. I hope you're happy of everything I give to you. Bye!
Now, it's wine time. Actually, this wine, hindi nakakalasing. Sparkling lang talaga. Yan.
Cheer.
It's apple flavor. Favorite ng mga anak ko. At sa ako na din. Favorito ko din yun. At sa kasawa ko. Ito pala yung mga niluto ko during sa Christmas. Actually, guys, hindi naman sana talaga ako magluto kasi iba talagang plano namin this year. Pupunta kami ng ibang lugar or mag-vacation kami. Kaso na-change ang mind namin. So, napaluto na lang ako. Sana lahat ay nakapaghanda ng Pasko or Christmas. Ito namang son ko, nagutom daw siya, kagagaling lang yan sa trabaho. At saka, wala pala siyang school kasi tapos na siya nag-school. You eat already, Robert? No. Every Christmas, we just four of us to celebrate our Christmas Eve dinner. Wala talaga kaming mga visita or sinong mga tao na pumunta sa aming bahay. Kami-kami lang talaga apat. Gusto ko pa naman sana this year na surpresahin yung family ko sa Pilipinas na mag-vacation, pero ayaw ko mag-vacation na 2 to 3 months. Gusto ko mataas talaga na panahon. Kasi marami akong gagawin doon. Meron tayo dito panghimagas na fruits at saka baked macaroni, which is my kid's favorite, at my husband's favorite also, which is ham. Very tasty. And Filipino dish also, his favorite is lumpia or egg roll and pancit canton. And of course, we have also a beef stick, which is favorito ng lahat. At saka, popcorn chicken. My daughter requests me to cook this dish. And of course, mayroon tayong panghimagas na lechip flan, na favorite din ng asawa ko. At saka, may cheesecake din tayo na desserts. And of course, hindi din mawawala yung wine. Pero wine, walang alcohol po. Sparkling lang yan, hindi nakakalasing. Ito lang lahat ang mga niloto or ganap ng Christmas Eve. Sana ang lahat ay nakapaghanda sa table. Happy Merry Christmas to my family in the Philippines, friends, and all over the world. Happy Merry Christmas and New Year, everyone. Saya! And now, it's time the kids open the gift.